everybody, how you all doing? Good? Me too. Welcome back to my channel Self Love Notes. My name is Shabana and I make videos on self-love, mindfulness and minimalism. Today I am going to share how my mindset transformed from a completely ignorant individual to a more eco-conscious person. How I noticed and changed my environmentally destructive habits into more sustainable practices to help the well-being of this planet. When I took up minimizing things in my life, I started noticing the amount of things I was bringing into my life and the things I was putting out there or throwing out there as a waste. I realized that it's time for me to rethink the way I have been consuming and express my conscious involvement in giving love and compassion to this environment. I completely admire and respect the families, the bloggers, the environmentalists who have made major changes in their life to live this zero waste lifestyle with an intention to reduce their carbon prints in this world. Even though I am not completely into zero waste or plastic free, I am constantly making efforts in my life to reduce the amount of waste that I produce every day. But there are certain things in my life which are of absolute necessity and cannot be replaced, like my fluoride toothpaste which protects me from cavities. But I still think that it is okay till the time you are mindful of your choices. I'll be happy to know the kind of low waste practices you've been following. So please let me know in my comment box down there so that we can keep inspiring each other. I will be mentioning the links of all the low waste alternatives which I have been using from past 1 year to live a sustainable life. Hope they are helpful to you. I have reduced my overall consumption of new items. This includes buying new clothes, bags, beauty and skin products and also electronic gadgets, as this will help me to decrease the amount of waste that goes to landfill. Things that I used to buy earlier in impulse are now bought mindfully so that I can contribute in minimizing the overall environmental impact. I have stopped using or accepting plastic bags when I'm out for my grocery shopping. It was very easy for me to replace these plastic bags with these cloth bags and produce bags. I also try my best to not accept single-use plastic bags, as I have found them many times uncollected waste around these water sources, which causes serious harm to the species drinking water from there. Living in a city and being dependent on large retail shops for your groceries can be quite challenging, as most of the products on the shelves are full of plastic packaging. However, I try my best to find these wholesale shops locally where these products are available in bulk to take away in my own produce bags. I use this wooden reusable bamboo stainless steel bottle instead of a plastic bottle. I prefer to carry my own bottle as it helps me to keep myself hydrated throughout the day. When I'm traveling to office or my meetings, it helps me avoid buying any kind of plastic bottle. I have been using this biodegradable wheat fiber sipper mug for almost a year now to carry my own tea or juice and avoid paper cups or any kind of cups offered by the juice centers, cafes or restaurants. Instead of using Ziploc bags or plastic boxes, I use these stainless steel containers to carry my lunch or snacks. It keeps my food fresh and also helps me to avoid any kind of toxic interaction with my food. I also carry my own set of cutlery which I keep in my bag to avoid the use of any kind of plastic or disposable cutlery. Even though they look disposable, I find a layer of plastic coating on them which looks harmful and non-compositable. Although I'm comfortable using this cutlery set for a long time, I would recommend a foldable cutlery set as an option to you all, as they may not take much space in your bag. A link to both the options are mentioned in the description box below. For me, being vegan is challenging many times as I feel hungry in short intervals, so I carry a lot of veggies and fruits while I travel. I carry them in these naturally made beeswax wrap to keep the half-eaten food instead of throwing it away in the dustbin. I practice not accepting plastic straws whenever I am at a coffee shop or a juice bar for my favorite drink. Instead, I use my own stainless steel straw to avoid any creation of that tiny plastic waste. There are many options available in the market like paper straw, acrylic straw, but personally I prefer stainless steel as it goes with my other cutlery. These straws come with a brush which makes the cleaning easy as well. I use bamboo brush instead of the plastic brush. I find bamboo brushes soft and sensitive to my teeth, and I also feel the cleaning is better. I haven't found any alternative to my current floss, hence I continue to use it. If you have any suggestions for low waste dental floss, please let me know in the comment box. I will be happy to explore. I use these handmade bar soaps instead of shower gel bottles. These soap bars are mostly packaging free or have a very minimal plastic packaging. I personally prefer ebooks as it is easy to carry anywhere and occupies no space in your bag. I also think by doing this I bring less paper waste at my home. But if you like traditional way of reading books, please continue if that works for you. I have also gone for eco-friendly stationeries like pens and papers made out of recyclable papers or seeds. This way I reduce my plastic waste and help the environment to remain clean and green. Earlier I used to think solutions to all the environmental problems were in the hands of the government or the decision makers. But with the increasing knowledge and awareness of mine in zero waste, I have realized that me as an individual can also make a major impact in this world. So with these little steps and changes, I am constantly reducing my waste every day, hoping to make this major difference. Sometimes people around me find my purchases little weird and stingy, but I'm okay with their reactions as long as I know that I'm being very less wasteful in all aspects of my life. Thank you so much for viewing this video till the end and spending your time on this topic. I invite you to become part of this zero waste movement so that we can keep inspiring each other and make a major difference in this world. Hope you liked the video and see you in the next video soon. Bye bye. Take care.